Hi everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a flat brush design using a number 14 and a number 12. These are Amagic flat brushes, and I will put a link down below if you'd like to purchase through the affiliate links. You're welcome to do so. And then a number 8 Deerfoot stippler. Using all FolkArt paints, using wicker white, light lavender, violet pansy, thicket, fresh foliage, and just a touch of burnt umber. Again, they're a mixture of multi-surface and enamel paints. Alright, so let's go ahead and begin. The brush I'm going to start with is a number 14 flat brush. I'm tipping into the light lavender, into the wicker white, and into the violet pansy. Do some blending strokes, and I just will keep adding paint as I go. Sometimes I do a quick blending stroke, sometimes I don't do one at all. So it just depends. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so I'm just pushing it down, and I'm kind of doing a simple version of the wiggle, kind of roughly, as you just turn your brush a little bit. Now on paper you can actually flip it more like that, which will give it more roughly look, but you have to be careful on the glass because it'll pick up the paint, as you can see it's doing there. And I do have a little bit of a ridge here, so I've just got to be a little bit cautious. Alright, so I'll keep going. I'm going to come down here, do another one. I love these little wiggly, ruffly flowers. They're so much fun to create. Great surface to paint on is wax paper, if you want to use that as a practice surface. And one thing nice about that, I think I'm just going to stick with the 2 because they're so big. I'm just going to do 2. I normally do odd numbers, but for this one I think I'm just going to stick with the 2. Alright, so I'm going to come in here, just recreate the same thing, up and back, and turn the brush a little bit. Because overcrowding on this bottle, it's not necessarily a good thing. Alright, I'm going to start on the next one. And I hope you like this. Again, this is just a very simple way to create a flower. And I know some people want me to create other things besides flowers, and I'm sorry, but I really like flowers, and that's what I'm passionate about. So that's what my videos are about. Alright. Still going to keep loading the brush the same way, but then when I come into the center, I'm going to do it the opposite direction, have the jerk on the out part of the petals. And you can do this smaller if you want. I'm okay with the size of it on here. I like the fact that it shows up nicely. And again, trying to make sure that my hand is not in the way as much as possible. Okay, so we have the 2. I'm going to let those be for just a few minutes. I'm going to pick up my number 12. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. 12 flat brush. I'm sticking in all the greens. Just getting it loaded. Now, again, I'm not real picky about how you load the brush. I know a lot of times people are. I'm just not. And you just have to figure out what works for you. Okay, so on this one, I'm going to put it down, wiggle, pull it back out, wiggle, and then pull it down to a point. I'm going to turn my bottle, come back down this way, do basically the same thing, coming back down to a point, and then go like that. Can reload my brush to go get a better pull, but there you go. And then I'm going to come this way. I was trying to do 3s around it. I'm not sure on this bottle if that will fit, but if not, that's fine. Make sure I'm seeing it. Come out and in and pull. So I feel like the biggest thing you can do for yourself when you're painting is just get your hand to feel it. And that the best way, again, is to do it on wax paper. It's affordable, and even though you're throwing something away, it's just a great surface to practice on, just get the feel for the shapes that you're making. Okay, this one might just be 2 around each one, just for the room. Because I did 3 on my paper, but I had more room. I also did 3 flowers on my paper. So you're just going like this, out, in, out, and then tip it off. There you go. Now I could, if I wanted to, and maybe I will just to finish this off, put the 3 petals around, have another one coming out this way, bring it out that way, and then doing it here, same way. This is just a very simple design without all the vines and the leaves. And I'm going to just do another one over here. Pull it down. And then come back around here, out, and down. And then pull it down through here. Again, just a very simple, not adding any other leaves, just keeping it simple. Right, next thing I'm going to do is take my Deerfoot Stippler. I'm going to put it into this center here, or just get it all tapped in with the brown. And I'm just going to do a quick pounce, but I want to see it. Quick pounce, and then you can use like yellow or green. It doesn't matter. I'm going to come in here with some green and just do quick pounce in there like that. Again, it's just meant to be very simple. And there you go. Now, if you wanted to, you can add dots. You can always add more leaves, but I'm just going to keep it simple. All right, hope you like this. If you do, give me a big thumbs up. New to my channel, please subscribe, hit that notification bell. And before you leave, if you would take a moment to share this video on your social network with all your family and friends, I would greatly appreciate it. Just hit the share button that you'll find underneath this video, and you'll be good to go. If you have any questions, comments, please place those underneath this video with the links that you can purchase them through. And again, thanks so much for stopping by, and until the next time, please stay safe and healthy, and you have a good one.